Will and Rosa. They both have joined ABC Incorporated. Will is happy as he is often given challenging responsibilities and his inputs are highly valued. Whereas Rosa is upset because she is not involved in strategic thinking and her inputs are rarely valued. Rosa begins questioning her role in the team. She stops sharing her ideas and wants to quit soon. Rosa is not alone in feeling biased. Such feelings are common at the workplace. A research by Center for Talent Innovation has found that unconscious bias costs organizations dearly. This is because employees like Rosa who perceive bias are nearly 3 times as likely to be disengaged at work, 2.6 times more likely to say that they have withheld ideas and market solutions over the previous 6 months, and more than 3 times as likely to say that they are planning to leave their current jobs within the year. Let's join hands to break the bias and create a workplace that has diversity, inclusion, and equity as key pillars.